Good morning. We are aboard a big boat.
Welcome back. We're Paul and Tan and we're escaping crowds travelling around Australia in our Toyota Troop carrier. If you're new to our channel, welcome, and we'd love for you to follow along with us. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying our content, and we'd love to hear from you too in the comments. Enjoy the video. Today we're taking a trip that we've wanted to do for a long time. There's a fair bit of excitement building and we reckon we've got the perfect day for it. So sit back, relax and enjoy this one. I know we will.
Good morning. We are aboard a big boat. We are heading out into the Gordon River today for our river cruise, and we are going to take you along for the experience. We have got a cracker of a day. We're actually standing on the top deck at the moment waiting for the boat to depart. We've got beautiful window seats with glass all the way, so hopefully the weather turns it on all day for us. It's a bit of a strange place where the weather's very changeable, but couldn't have asked for a better morning. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy this one. This is something we've been waiting for a while. Coffee, breakfast, it's all part of the ticket price. It's pretty good. This is actually our second breakfast this morning because we didn't know, so we've now had two breakfasts, so we're going to be fat when we leave the boat. But anyway, we're going out to Macquarie Heads at the moment. We're just having our coffee and enjoying the view. Absolutely fantastic. The scenery is stunning. I think it said it was the second largest harbour in Australia. So, harbour. Yeah, this is Macquarie Harbour.
and towed these sailing ships through Hell's Gates and into deep water, where they lifted the sails to carry on. Days of convicts at Sarah Island, a horrendous convict settlement. Lucas, the pilot out here.
So the captain of this boat is absolutely brilliant. He loves this job so much. He's an absolute history book of the area, and he's given us a complete narrative of everything so far that we've seen. I was just chatting to him, and he's been doing it for 19 years with the same company. He is just brilliant, such a nice guy.
As a conciliator to travel around the island.
Oh, it's been awesome so far. I'm loving it.
And then take them to offshore islands.
Sarah Island was Tasmania's oldest convict settlement and reputedly one of the severest penal establishments in the history of convict transportation. Operational for 12 years, it took the worst convicts, those who had reoffended and those who had escaped from other settlements.
So we're heading off the boat. We're on the jetty to go onto Sarah Island. There's some guides to take us around the island today. We're here for an hour. This should be pretty cool, I reckon.
Yeah, that way, and then to the right a little bit. The long way. Oh, that's running into David.
The population on Sarah Island fluctuated between 100 and 350 people, including military personnel, a doctor, a chaplain, spouses, children, and assigned female servants. Women convicts were separated from the men, however, and lived on nearby Grummet Island. If you're keen to know more about this place, a movie was filmed in 2009 called Van Diemen's Land. Link is in the description below.
We're back on the boat after our Sarah Island tour. That was really good. Enjoyed it heaps. About to have some lunch served up, so sounds exciting. On the tour, yeah. Ridley,
yeah, so bloody knowledgeable of what happened back here in the day, and nice and harsh.
Oh yeah, it would have been. It makes me want to read more about it. It was absolutely, would have been absolutely hell being there. Absolute hell. It was only a colony for 12 years though. Lots went on, so really, really interesting. So
yeah, I'm going to read up a little bit on that. I'm fascinated by that sort of thing, but the guide was fantastic. They split us up into 3 groups, and each group went with a different guide, and it was just awesome. Just kept us entertained for the whole hour, didn't he? So really, really good. Bit of sense of humour, and he obviously is a bit theatrical, which is awesome. Okay, so we're about to have lunch, and we're heading up into the Gordon River now, so I'll keep you posted. Yeah, looking forward to it. There's nobody up here. There's no one here. Just us. Woohoo!
They're all busy eating.
Yeah, we just had a yummy lunch.
Look at this giant.
I know. How beautiful. Heritage Landing is the farthest point that tourist boats can travel up into the Gordon River. It consists of a 300-metre walk through huon pine forests that are thousands of years old. This area, known as the Franklin Gordon Wild Rivers National Park, is part of the Tasmanian Wilderness World Heritage Area. Thanks again for watching, and your support through hitting that like and subscribe button is very much appreciated. Don't forget to tune in next week as we continue to showcase the beautiful island of Tasmania. If you're keen to watch some of our other trip episodes, here are some links. Thanks again, and we'll see you all in the next episode. Cheers!